There's a saying that if the rate of change outside your company is outpacing the rate of change inside your company, the end is near. And no time in manufacturing history, at least not one that I've been part of, has that statement been more true than right now. We are on the verge of several disruptive fronts that will completely reshape what it means to be in the manufacturing world. Agility is at the very core of what's going on, and being able to navigate all of these changes and figure out not just which ones are real and which ones are fantasy, but how to put them to use. So we see agility and technology and digital all converging at the forefront of modern manufacturing. So what does agility mean to our clients, and why is it important? Well, nowadays we can ideate design changes or design options in hours and days and look at tens, hundreds, if not thousands of permutations of an idea and very quickly come up with options that we could never do before and have those in front of clients literally in days and weeks. Once something's out on the factory floor, agility still exists, right? The days of just setting a machine and forgetting about it are long gone. So our reliance and infusion of data absorption into everything we do allows us to be agile even while we're making things, because it means that we're making real-time decisions. Right? Or the machines, even better, are making real-time decisions and are constantly looking for the optimal solution. You can't do that in an analog world anymore. It's just too slow. It's too old, it's too labor-intensive, and it's just not accurate. The other thing we're working on is even challenging the notion of assembly lines. The modern assembly line has to be agile. What we're working on right now are lines that are 85 to 90% reusable. And where we were thinking months ago that these platforms would be able to change product by product, we're now thinking about changing them shift by shift. And what does that mean for return on assets? What does that mean for utilization? What does that mean for flexibility? If you can change an entire assembly line over in a matter of minutes, what does that afford our clients as far as their flexibility, inventory, lead times, all the things that we would love to have or dreamed about, more importantly, for years and years and years in this business are now coming real. You have to take a step into it or you're going to get left behind.